In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your Sky router settings. So this can be really useful if you want to do things such as update your Wi-Fi password. You can also change all of your different Sky router settings. Now, in order to do this, we just need to go and open up an internet browser, and you can do this from both a mobile device and also a computer. Now, if you head over to the search box, you just need to type in 192.168.0.1 and then go and press enter. Now, this is basically the address bar to go and access your Sky router settings. And once you're on this page, we then need to go and log into our router account. Now, to do this, you can just click on any of the options in this top navigation. And as you can see, in order to access this, it will require a username and password. So for the username, just go and set this to admin. And the password, this will be the password to your router's Wi-Fi. Now, if you're not sure what this password is, then you can just come round to the back of your router and you'll see here we have this password field, and this will be the password that you need to enter in order to access your settings. If the password is not working, it's because you've already changed the password. So what you can do is go and reset your router back to its original settings. You can do that just by holding down the reset button for about 30 seconds, and then you can come back over to this login page and you can enter your Wi-Fi password. Now, once you're signed in, you can see we now have all of these different options available, so we can go into the security and the Wi-Fi settings of our router, and this is where you can go and customize all of the different settings for your particular network. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.